I love this faux wood that I made, and it was so easy to do. I started with some rigid foam that we got at Home Depot, and I'm just cutting a line, really not doing it straight because I want it to be very jagged. Once you get the side of the wood all roughed up, then you're going to cut out some pieces from the end of the wood, and I usually do like a little bit of a triangle and then just rip that center piece out. Now I'm going to make wood grain by using something pointy, which I'm using a pencil, but you can use a screwdriver or anything like that. You want to make your lines some straight, some not straight, and then some shorter ones and longer ones. I also decided to cut out some holes and some divots in the center of the wood. Here's the 3 pieces that I made so far. The next thing I'm going to do is spray paint it. I am using a primer, which you don't really have to do, but I just want to make sure the wood is a lighter brown. So now I'm doing the dark brown, and I am going to cover the entire thing, top, sides, everything. Next, I'm going to take some really watery black craft paint, and I'm going to fill in all of these cracks. And don't worry how dark it looks, because for one thing, it's going to absorb, and 2, we're going to spray over top of it. Make sure you also do the inside of your holes and any kind of like crevices that you might have created. You want to create that shadow look. Now we're going to go over with a lighter brown, and I'm not going to spray it as full. We're just going to kind of mist it enough that those lines are not as black, and it adds a lighter brown to the color. I'm going to attach mine with hot glue, but you can also use command strips. Just make sure that if you're using the hot glue that you use a lot of this so that they don't fly off. I really love how these turned out, and I'm in the process of making more because now I want them on every window. The best thing about these is that they're lightweight and they're going to be very easy to store.